Welcome, English 201, Fall 2020 at John Jay College. My name is Gilbert Morales. I am going to be your instructor this semester. We are embarking on probably the strangest semester that I've encountered in the close to 20 years I've been teaching for CUNY, and I'm sure that the last couple of months have been crazy for you as well. If you were at John Jay or at another college or high school and this is your first semester here at John Jay, or you may have taken other classes, I'm sure this is all new, an environment for all of us here. I just wanted to send out a quick video since we're going to be meeting online this semester, and we were forced to learn a lot of different ways of teaching and learning over the last 6 months. I'm sure if you were in high school or already in college that the last few months of the spring were extremely difficult. I've pivoted and I've learned a different way to teach this course, and I'm hoping to bring that out to fruition this semester. So I just want to say a few words on how we're going to proceed. In a bit, I will be sending out an announcement with some instructions on where to go on Blackboard so we can get this going. But in a nutshell, on the macro, this class is going to be a hybrid between online Zoom meetings, which I'm sure you've become an expert at, and also work done on your own. I know our class is supposed to meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9:25 to 10:40. One thing I learned, over the last couple of months and some training that I've taken and stuff that I've thought about, expecting you all to meet, twice a week for an hour and a half or whatever it might be wasn't the best use of our time. So the way I've designed this course is that we're going to meet once a week on Tuesdays at our prescribed time, which is 9:25. And I'm probably not going to take the whole class time. It's really just a 1 week check-in to set the intentions for that week, set the goals for that week. But 80% of the work, the online discussion is going to be done on your own. Our classroom is going to be the discussion board on Blackboard. If you're familiar with Blackboard, that might mean something to you. If you've never used Blackboard, then you will get to start learning what that means. But our discussions are mostly going to be held on that online environment called the discussion board. Like I said, I'd like to meet once a week just so we can have a little bit of a face-to-face. In addition to, I will be having online virtual office hours once a week as well. You'll see that on the syllabus. But mostly, like I said, the environment is going to be online, with that one day on Tuesdays where we check in. So I don't want to take up too much time. I just wanted to introduce myself, introduce the class. I invite you to go onto Blackboard and look at the environment. You'll see that I've organized the semester into 14-week folders. Each week is going to have a specific goal, a specific strategy, skill set that we're going to be working on, and each week is going to build onto the next week, leading us towards a research paper at the end of the semester. Basically, this is an expository writing course, meaning that we want you to be able to write, to build on the skills that either you are bringing from high school or your English 101 class, where you started to learn how to do a research paper, and we're going to continue with honing those skills. And by the end of the semester, hopefully you will have a grasp of how to take the skills you've learned in this class and manifest them in your other classes. So, in one case, these are two of the most important classes that you're going to take, because all classes, as you probably already know, require some form of writing, some form of research, some form of analysis. So that's the stuff we're going to be working on this semester. So you'll see that one of the first things I'm asking you to do is to get comfortable with the Blackboard environment. Get comfortable. I want you to introduce yourself on the discussion board. It's not going to be that uncomfortable first day. Hey, everyone, stand up and introduce themselves. It's going to be more of an online thing where you're going to write, introduce yourself to the class, so we can also start getting to know each other. I've given you my bio online, so you can see that as well, and then we'll take it from there. Classes officially start next on Wednesday, August 26th. So technically, we're supposed to start on that Thursday, but just for organizational purposes. I've made our first quote-unquote face-to-face meeting on Zoom is going to be on Tuesday, September 1st. The Zoom link will be on your syllabus, so there will be no confusion. And I will also email it out a day or two before September 1st, so we can get a little bit more comfortable with that. All right, team. So that's it. I just wanted to say hello. And I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and starting the semester next week. Like I said, I know we're all coming to this class with a varying experiences with what's happened the last couple of months, good, bad, and ugly. But I'm just hoping we can at least all try to come to the semester with the intention of trying to make the best of this situation. I'm certainly going to try to do that, to hopefully give that best effort to you as my students. All right, team. So have a great week or so until school starts. Good luck with all of your other classes, and I'll see you guys on September 1st. Okay, bye bye.